Introducing the Ninja Espresso and Coffee Barista System. This unique coffee maker is compatible with single-serve espresso capsules and grounds, so you can brew a variety of different drinks that satisfy your household. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to brew through grounds and an espresso capsule. To make any drink, simply start by filling up the removable reservoir at the sink to the full line. Line your brew basket with one of the included number 4 paper filters and scoop the grounds into the brew basket based on the size of the brew that you want to make. The Ninja Smart Scoop shows how many scoops of grounds are needed per drink size. Adjust coffee strength by scooping more or less coffee. Close the shower head lid, select your desired style and coffee size, then press the dial to start your brew. Today, we will brew a 10-ounce rich brew, but you can choose from many styles and sizes that this machine offers. Let's say you want to be your own barista and make a coffee house style drink at home. Let's make an espresso-based drink with frothed milk to top it off. Simply lift the lever on your machine and put in your favorite single-serve espresso capsule. Today, we're gonna brew a longo. While my espresso was brewing, I heated up my milk in the microwave for about 30 seconds. You can use the frother to create hot or cold froth from milk or a plant-based milk of your choice. Now my espresso is hot and ready to be topped with some frothed milk. If you're looking for more tips, visit ninjakitchen.com.